Okay. We have this outcropping on the geospatial map. I'm going to get up closer with the camera and see what markings there are on the rocks. Just erosion and striation. Nothing special. At least not here. Alright, come around. This is the extreme edge of rock garden, so there isn't a lot to see in this particular spot either. But over here, there is. If we can get down this, all the spores are out. I shouldn't see that. Aphilii? How are they called? I'm not sure. Now this is what all of those other overhangs on the property looked like a very long time ago. You look at that tree hanging so precariously in the broken stones over that overhang. Remember the first saying of the first motto of the Deepwood? Nothing is safe in the Deepwood. Alright. Now we are down on a floodplain and the edge of Cedar Creek. And that particular overhang goes back a fairly decent way. You can see, I'm not going to get up too close, how all the rock has eroded and chipped. How new formations are created and eroded. Some of this breakage is actually recent. You can see, as evidenced from no lichen, no moss growing on the other sides of the rocks. That most likely happened in our extreme freeze. The freeze-thaw action is what does most of the erosion on heavy stone. It's actually what has been our Achilles heel in modern concrete construction, because the freeze-thaw eats its way into the porous surface, which is why the Roman concrete was so highly sought after for so long, because it resists this process. Now that we have identified how that was achieved, be certain there will be more construction of the original type when they had identified that thousands of years ago. Alright, you can see that this is where the main vehicle access comes to, along the floodplain of the Cedar Creek Valley. I don't know what kind of tree that is, but it is pretty awesome looking. You can still see the walnuts on the ground. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There's a black walnut. Right there. Since black walnuts like a lot of water, it makes sense for there to be more down here. There's also a lot of locust. Now they have cleared out a bunch of that, selective cuts, because it was expensive. I shouldn't say expensive, it was useful for construction. But this right here, you can see all the big cedars trying to fight their way out of the rocks. This whole valley was filled with these, choked with these cedars at one point. And that's what gave it its name. All right. Well, we did our tour. We saw what we saw. Now we're back at the lures. All right. This I'm not sure. This spot? I think it is this spot right here that's the lowest point of the property. All right, I have to pause the video and geolocate. Okay, we're back. Oh, it just started a new video. All right, well then. Yes, we are in the correct place. We are geolocated to the lowest point on the property at the bottom of Cedar Creek Valley in the disappearing creek bed. Right here. This is 890 feet, I think. I have to look at it again. It's 800 and something. Maybe 870. I think that might be it. I think it's 870. The peak is 1320. So we are gonna climb from here to there, that direction, and we're gonna take the backside of the 3-hour tour from the bottom of Rock Garden at the edge of Deepwood Glade Park. I shouldn't call it Deepwood Glade Park, that's too many words. It's called Deepwood Glade. We are in the park, not in the orchard. That's why I made reference to that. Okay, up we go. This is one of the areas that I have marked for bridging. I'm going to build a single lane bridge across this area right here. Every day is leg day. One of our moss castles. That one's more of a mound. Yes, this part of the trail needs some attention as well. Like I stated in the first video, gotta get the access road.